everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Susan Timchak here. I'm here to share with you an unboxing. This is an unboxing of my Sewers Club. Ooh, pardon me. And this is the January. This is a sewing subscription box from Subsrciption.com. And I got my first one last month. Well, actually I signed up in December. But I was sad because when I got the box, it wasn't the December one, it was the January one. It was the December one that came in January. So, well, I don't know now. Now it's February, and this is the January one. So, it takes forever to get. I was unhappy last month. If you go back and watch that video, I thought I was getting the Christmas apron, and I ended up not. So, that put a bad taste in my mouth. I got a discount on the first one. I think it was $5 off. So I thought I'd give it a try. So this is the second one. I mean, I was billed for it probably like 2 weeks ago. And I just got it. So it was, you know, almost, well, I got it Sunday. Actually, the post office delivers Sunday. So anyhow, this is the last of it. Creative Notions is my first and only love as far as sewing subscription boxes, and of course Paper Pumpkin, with me being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, not even no little tissue paper. So it says, like your box, share it with us online at #SewersClub. So, of course, here I am. I'm unboxing, and I will. So, I mean, there's no fancy schmancy anything. There's a little tissue paper in here, but it's in the bottom. I know, I really have a sad face on, don't I? I'm sorry. For the love of food grocery bag, Sewers Club Sewing Delivered. So finished size is 14 by 13. The pattern is by Serena Victoria for Sewers Club. And okay, that's nice. That looks like something I can do. I'm not a big quilter. I'm very slow at learning how to quilt. And here's the directions on the back. So it looks like it's something, you know, that I'm able to do. And what this subscription box does is they give you a project and they give you inside everything you need. Well, almost everything you need to make the project. So, okay, so then I got this card, February. Hi, Susan. Thank you. Are you ready to sew? Well, you know that answer. I'm always ready to sew or craft. So the February box is filled with 20 inches of Figaro Fabrics Rollikin Blue and Pink, a $15 value. 12 inches of Figaro Fabrics, and if I'm saying that wrong, I apologize. Rollikin Green, that's a $3.99 value. For the Love of Food Grocery Bag Pattern by Serena Victoria for Sewers Club, that's a $4.50 value. Add-on Notions of the Month, Creative Grids 4.5-inch quilt ruler, that's $11.50 value. Bonus for all members, 2 assorted fat quarters, $4.99 value. So if you give $5, you get $5. Log into your account to get your unique referral code to share with your friends. Well, I canceled my subscription, so I can't do that. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Now, I believe I only had the basic subscription box, so I didn't get any of those fancy add-on Notions. It just says bonus for all members, 2 assorted fat quarters. So, I guess I got that. Okay. So, and here's the tissue paper. Like, here's what they should have done is, like, wrapped it like a present. But I can reuse the tissue paper. So, I'll do that. I know, I'm such a sourpuss today. I'm so sorry. Looking for more, check out our online store at sewersclub.com. So, I mean, if you guys want to go and check it out, you know, go ahead. Go for it. So, let's check out the fabric. So we have this pretty fabric here. I guess like daisies, like different colored daisies, which that's pretty. It feels real soft. It's nice. So then we have this fabric here that has this all over design. They're like little half circles. And some have a little solid and some have a little print to them. So I don't know if that necessarily goes to that. I think these might be the bonus 2 assorted fat quarters. I believe that's probably the bonus ones. I could be wrong, but I think it is. Okay, so then we have this, and these are pretty, it's a pretty pink color with pears all on it. Which, I mean, if you're going to make this little tote bag, that's perfect for that because, you know, it's a food grocery bag, so that's nice. I like that. I like how that goes with that little shapes. Oh, and here's another one. It's the same thing. It's the pears, but it's kind of like, it's an odd color. It's kind of like a green slash mustardy. Well, no, it's like a green with like a, looks like blue stems. So that matches that fabric. Let me look on this bag closely. Okay, so those are the 2 that they used on the bag. Are the pink one and the green one to make that. And I like the heart. I've never made anything like that, so. Okay, and then we have this fabric here, which this is really cool. I mean, this really goes, let's take out those. These colors really go well together, and I like the all-over design because they're not directional, you know, so you can pretty much not have to worry how you lay your pattern out, that there's an upside and a downside. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. I forget how much it cost. I don't know, $30-some, I think. But I mean, when you look at this and then you look at Vicky's Creative Notions, well, you be the judge of that. But I did give it a try. Usually I do things for 3 months. I only did this for 2 months. So, that's okay. But I gave it the old college try, so we say. But I think I'll give this bag a try eventually. You know, I have like 50 projects going right now. Like, if anyone is crafters like me, you're probably the same way. You have like 50 projects going at one time. So, anyhow, that is the Sewers Club, and I believe it's the January box. No, it says February. So I guess the one I got last month was January, but I signed up in December. I don't know. December, I guess, was the real cute Christmas apron, and they sold out of them, and, well, I was just disappointed because I had planned on making that for someone to give as a gift, and then I had to go to the store and buy a panel, and they're so hard to find apron panels, but other than if you want to go online. So anyhow, I'm just rambling now to fill up time, so you probably clicked off already, and if you did, I don't blame you, because this is like a downer, a real downer video, but that's my Sewers Club for February, and let me know what you think. I mean, would this be a box that you'd continue? Is there a subscription box that you get that maybe you sew or craft? Is there one that you get? Leave it down below in the comments. Let me know. You know, I love opening boxes. Everybody loves getting stuff in the mail other than bills, right? That's why I love to make cards. For 20 years, I've been making greeting cards and all kind of paper crafts and all sorts of things. And I love sending them out. I'm getting better at that. I love sending them out because I know when people open it up, it's not a bill, you know. But let me know what you think. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you back here soon with another fun video. Bye.